In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically scan Facebook groups, extract high quality lists, and target to the right audience, all with just a few clicks. So now let's get to the point.
Look at the main screen here. Today I'm going to show you a software. Look at the main screen here. Today I'm going to show you a software. This software allows you to scan a lot of groups, a lot of pages, as well as profile. And today we'll go to the group scanning features. Look at the left hand side. There are a lot of functions for you to choose. We go to the group scanning features. And overall, you can see similarity with the other software, right? And we have to import a group, remember? And it is the UID of the group. So how can we get the UID? For example, I have the UK used laptop for sales, okay? And this is that link, okay? And I go to the convert link to UID. Yes, and enter the link, save, and start. Wait a few seconds. Okay, done. And this is the UID, okay? We copy the UID and we go to the scan group members. With the scan group members function, first of all, we go to the general setting as usual, 20 to 40 based on you. You count after each scan members, okay? Maximum groups, fast scan, UID only, or detail scan. With a detail scan, you will have a lot of information of that members in that group. With a fast scan UID only, we just get the UID only. For I will go to the detail scan, only scan new members. Okay, you have some choices. If you want to scan only new members, you stick on this box, okay? And do not scan admin. Okay, done. I will choose select the account to do the scanning. Okay, and start. Wait a few seconds. Okay, look at the notification. Waiting to navigate to the URL. Check in. Yeah, check it. Scan into group. It start working. Scan 10 members group. Wait for it. Okay, done. Okay, we stop. You see the group ID, the number of members of that group, scan limit as we set the limit, total scan, and scanning account that we just select. And if you want to see all the information of these 10 members, stick on that box to choose and export layer. Okay, and it's just what we just get it. Okay, 10 UID and the name, the gender, a lot of things, even the link to the profile here. You see? Okay, that is the first function that I want to show you. With the second function, scan group ID, I will have the iPhone, I will have the real estate, I will have the sport, maybe. You see, we choose scan by keyword, so we have to enter the keyword, right? And remember each line, each keyword. Or if you don't want to scan by keyword, you can scan by profile. If you can scan by profile, you must have the profile ID. And as I have mentioned before, copy the link access to the profile and convert it to UID, and then copy and come back to paste it here. Okay. As well, what about the by location? Location, for example, England, US, Canada. Yeah, like that. But today I will test with the scan by keyword. The same. Okay. Okay. Enter the keyword. iPhone, sport. What else? Real estate, right? Save. So we have to change the account after each scan. Each scan we will set up more. Okay, we'll set up and three. Okay. You have some choices. You have some options like only scan groups with more than a certain number of members. For example, I will just get the group which have over 20,000 members. Okay, and I only scan group that don't have a sensor post. Okay, don't have a sensor port, and only scan group public. We select the account to do the scanning. Start. Wait a few seconds. Okay, you will see here everything is embedded running. Wait for it. Okay, so we will have a list of results right here. You see 20 groups. It means change account after each scan. 20 group, right? So if we write this up to 50, okay, and You see, the real estate haven't scanned yet. So if we change it to 50, the real estate will be scanned, okay? And it will scan until it gets 50 groups for you guys. So if you want to get all the information of this, and export the data, and you will get it, okay? Export the data. And last but not least, we go to the scan group information, okay? We set up as usual 40, 20 to 40. Stop on consecutive arrows. You import your group, okay? We must have to convert the link of the group to the UID, okay? Check the number of the admins and check if the group allows anonymous posting. Okay, it is helpful. I will check it. Save and start. Wait a few seconds. Okay, and that is all the information about the group UK use laptop for sale. Remember here, all the information of the group, okay? Public, uncensored, the total members, total new members. And if you want to get all the data, export the data. And also the Zalo link is the same, okay? Easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.